Siva here, founder and CEO of Lyzr. We are an enterprise agent framework. We started building last year around July. And our mission is to enable organizations run autonomously with agent-powered intelligence. So this is what my, sorry. This, yeah, this is what my regular week looks like. Thanks to our own AI agents that we built, we're landing demos and we're converting customers. But this is what my weekends look like. I sail here in the New York City. Now, I want to squeeze in a couple more sailing sessions before we lose this summer. But so what's the solution? Can AI agents take over my work and do on my behalf? I would like to say yes, but practically that's not happening. And the problem is we have several agent frameworks, fantastic ones, open source agent frameworks. We also have several SaaS platforms building agents, verticalized agents. But when we started building agents for enterprise customers, we realized that there is a key component that we are missing, the agent data management. And sorry, there's always a delay. So we started looking at the problem very differently. What if we bring in agency between agents and start looking at agent data management? And hence we are building OGI, the Organizational General Intelligence for Enterprises. So before getting into OGI and what we do on the tech side, we look at some traction. We have over 100 plus customers, 4 million in ARR, and about 40K about average ACV. We launched in Jan, our first customer came on board in Jan. Until April, we were like growing to around 100K probably overall. But in April, we launched our orchestration platform on the very first set of autonomous agents, which kind of put us in this growth path. We're targeting 30 million next year. I think we are on that. And we are just started building our outbound team, by the way. Several large enterprises and startups likewise use our platform to build agents. And what we're really excited about is the number of custom agents that they build on our platform. We do have a couple of pre-built agents like an SDR agent and a marketing agent, but the custom agents is where really our eyes are because we get to learn a lot from our customers. And we ended up winning the Accenture Global Award for the best enterprise agent framework out there in the market. And what's the IP? The IP starts with the agent itself. So our thesis is the agent has to be like a first-class citizen, because if the agent is super powerful and super capable, you can assemble them into an agentic workflow and achieve complex workflows. So this is the Agent API Studio that's going live this weekend. It's self-serve, developers or no-code builders, you can just go in and build the agent that you want to really build and launch your own application. It takes about a couple of minutes to launch your own agents. And when you take an agent and assemble them in a workflow like this, you're able to even accomplish complex tasks. This is the backbone of the AI SDR agent that we launched. And enterprises love this, like mid-market enterprises, large SMBs, because it is customizable. Unlike the other SaaS AI SDRs, it runs locally on your own cloud, and it is completely customizable. You can choose different large language models for every particular agent out there. So this is the front end of the AI SDR agent. What we also realized was you cannot just give a container as an agent and walk away. Customers do need a front end as well. So for all the pre-built agents that we launch, we also provide the front end. Here you could see the agent starts writing emails and following up, converting outbound, I would say cold leads into customers. Now, this is where the real tech starts, the agent mesh. So when we started building these agents, we thought, okay, what if we bring all the memory units of agents like a central nervous system? That led to agent mesh. And with agent mesh, we are able to open up OGI, the collective intelligence organization would run. And we have opened up OGA to LangChain, Llama Index, and other frameworks. So irrespective of where you build your agents, just integrate with the agent mesh. So we are able to collect all the agentic intelligence in one single place and give you OGI. This is what the OGI interface looks like. So OGI currently at this point in time can observe and reason. So you can play around, ask questions. Okay, what is happening with my marketing agents? What's its impact on my sales agents and so on? So this is again, all our tech that you see here runs locally on your own cloud. We are not SaaS, we are enterprise software. Think of Snowflake, but for building agents, and that's who we are. So we take data privacy very seriously. And the best way to handle data privacy is by not handling your data. So hence, we leave that to you. Data runs on your own cloud. Moving ahead, we closely work with Amazon Web Services, Google, and IBM, and we are extending our partnership to Snowflake, Azure, and other hyperscaler platforms. The team has a good mix of startup and enterprise experience and complement each other in what we do. Now, to the last part of the demo. So this is the Agent API Studio that's gone live. You can access this through agent.lyzr.ai. And I'm going to show you how we build one agent and what it does. So it starts with setting up the, sorry, this is, okay, hold on. Yeah. So it starts with setting up the environment. You can select the agent, select the cloud, and you can select the modules, you can like memory, and then select the tools that you want the agents to use. And once you do that, you can set up the agent. Our agents build their own system prompts. It's inbuilt, so you don't have to sit and write all those prompts. And then you try the agent, and you can launch your own app. Here, we asked the agent to build a plan for developing a pizza app, and we gave the list of team members. So it plans and it figures out what are the tasks, writes to Asana on its own, and sends an email to everyone, hey, this is the plan and this is what you guys are going to get started. This agent was built in under 2 minutes. So that is the capability of the platform. We would recommend just start playing around and help us with feedback to improve the agent, I would say, agent builder UI. So you can see the agent thinks, the agent reacts, and we are launching the multi-agent orchestration. While we have it in our enterprise, for our enterprise customers, we are launching for the very first time to developers as well. So you could also kind of get the feeling of what does it take for an agent-focused agent orchestration rather than a task-focused agent orchestration platform. So this is live. Our team also went ahead and built a browser navigation agent, which is like a specialized agent that works with our core task agent. So here, the browser navigation agent logs into, and this demo we built in like a day, and we ended up winning a large deal with a UK-based enterprise. So this logs into around 50 plus, I would say, enterprise platforms, government websites, logs in, checks for multiple RFPs that they launch on a daily basis. It downloads those RFPs, checks which are the RFPs that the organization could probably write to or apply for, and then it sends an email to all the team members saying, hey, look, there's a new RFP launched by a particular government agency. I think you should apply. So this is something that they wanted us to build. We built in about 24 hours and gave it to them. Now they have the whole developer platform. They can further improve the whole agent on their own. They ended up saving about 95% of the cost involved by moving from the human-led procurement process to an agent-led procurement process. I think it's not playing. Yeah. I think they were spending somewhere between $400,000 to $500,000 per year, and with this agent, their cost is about $20,000 per year. So that's the amount of savings, and now we are looking at 2 other agents with the same organization. So the browser navigation agent, the voice agent, and the data analysis agent, text to SQL, Pythonic analysis, all these are specialized agents that are designed to work with our core agent that you just saw in the previous demo. So that's pretty much where we are, working towards the organizational general intelligence for helping organizations achieve autonomous operations. So happy to take any questions. I'm around here for some more time. And please log in to agent.lyzr.ai and start building your own agents. Thank you.